Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now class 6, I am your science teacher and as you know the chapter number 15 has already been finished. So here is just some assessment and exercises remain over here, we have to complete it. So in that particular assessment here is given as multiple choice question, it is MCQ. MCQ given as we have to do that one. First one is the major constituent of the air is major constituent of the air, that is nitrogen, which is option number B. First B. Second, which one of the following gases is used by the plant to make their own food, that is a carbon dioxide, option number A. Next is which one of the following gas is released by animal during the respiration, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide or argon. So that is carbon dioxide. Third C. Fourth one, the percentage of nitrogen by the volume in air is about 21, 78, 79 or 22. So that is 78. That is option number B. Next, the gas which support burning, it is nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, argon. So the supporting gas or supporter is called as oxygen, that is option number C. 6C. Seventh, that is this one is 5. In question number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th B and 5C. Now 6. 6 is Usha took a lump of dry soil in the glass and added water to it. It completely immersed. She observed bubble coming out. The bubble contains water vapors, only oxygen gas, air, none of these. Water, vapors or air, that is 6C, that is air. Bojo took an empty plastic bottle, turned it upside down and dipped into the open mouth into a bucket filled with water. She then tilted the bottle slightly and made the following observations. Bubbles of air comes out from the bottle. Bubbles and some water enter in the bottle. Nitrogen gas came out in the form of a bubble and oxygen dissolved in water. No bubbles are. So the first and second is the correct answer. It is A, 6A. Now 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the question number 8, the component of air which are harmful to the living being are, that is smoke and water vapor, dust, smoke, dust and water vapor, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. So that is 8C. 8C. Question number 9. The 9 is given and which of the following statement is incorrect? All living things require air to breathe. We can feel air but we cannot see it. Next one is moving air makes it possible to fly kite. Air is present everywhere but not in soil. That is D. 9D. Question number 10. Wind does not help in the movement of which of the following? Firki, weathercock, ceiling fan, sailing yacht. Ceiling fan, that is C. Now, this is 11 and 12. And last one is 13. So, what is not true about that the air? It's make the windmill rotate. It help in the movement of aeroplane. Birds can fly. It has no rule in water cycle. No role in water cycle. 11D. 12. Mountaineers carry Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them because there is no oxygen at high mountains. There is a deficiency of oxygen on mountain and high altitude. Oxygen is used for cooking. Oxygen keep them warm at low temperature. The answer will be, the appropriate answer will be, there is deficiency of oxygen on mountain at high altitude. That is 12B. 13. Which of the following component of air is present in the largest amount in the atmosphere? Is it nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide? So it is nitrogen. This is all about the MCQs. Now we'll have to move on to the next one. We'll try to move to the next. Next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. FIB. In which we have to write what exactly about. That is, before fill in the blanks, there is a true and false. Some of the true false statement. True and false. So first one here is atmosphere has only nitrogen. That is false. First false. Second, gases cannot dissolve in water. False. Third one, oxygen support burning. True. Fourth, air does not occupy space. False. Fifth, plants consume oxygen for respiration. Correct. True. Sixth, nitrogen and carbon dioxide present in the air are harmful to the living being. False. 7. Plants consume oxygen for respiration. That is correct. True. 8. Plant produce oxygen during the process of making their own food. Plant produce oxygen during the process of making their own food. True. 9. Air help in the movement of a sailing yacht and gliders, but no role in flight of the airbirds. False. 10. In the 10th, air does not occupy space. False. So this is all about the true and false statements given. Next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, air is made up of gases, some water vapor and dust particles. So in first one there is water vapors. Next one, the amount of carbon dioxide present in the air is 0.03. Carbon dioxide present in the air as well. Next, the layer of the air that surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. This is known as atmosphere. The gas which support burning is oxygen. Question number 5. Most abundant gas in the atmosphere is nitrogen. Number 6. The animals living in the water use the dissolved oxygen. 7. The plants and animal consume oxygen for respiration and produces carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Next is also some type of fill in the blanks, but there is some hints or points given to justify the answer. So in this concern we will do the same as the instructions given. Make the windmill rotate. First one, the air makes the windmill rotate. Air is a mixture of gases. Second one is mixture. Third one, a weathercock shows the directions. Weathercock shows the directions of the wind blows. The mountaineer carry oxygen cylinder. Oxygen cylinder with them. Now match the column. Column A, column B. First one is air. Air is the mixture of gases. Mixture of gases. First one, second, wind. Wind, it is called as moving air. Third, windmill. Windmill used to generate electricity. Next is oxygen. Next is oxygen, 21%. Nitrogen, 78%. Sixth, earthworm, deep into the soil. Deep into the soil. Next, aquatic animals. Aquatic animals, animal living in water. Animals living in water. Next, next is weathercock. Direction use, direction of airflow. Direction of air flow. Next is mountainous. Mountainous oxygen cylinder. Oxygen cylinder. Next is fine hair inside the nose. Fine hair inside the nose. That is prevent dust particle. Prevents dust particles. Next is smoke and wind. Smoke and wind. Smoke, it is smoke, gases and fine dust particles. Gases and fine dust particles. Wind will help in moving yacht. That's all about the match the column. Now next one is some of the statements given and we have to do this. Supporter of burning. Supporter of burning is oxygen. Second, most abundant gas in the atmosphere. Nitrogen. Third, required by the plants to make their food. Carbon dioxide. Fourth, that is constituent humidity, water vapors. That's all about the given. Into the next video we'll continue this.